Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today is March 15th, 2025, and the top news for crypto is as follows. We will continue our news and start with Argentina, where we have learned that it has defined rules for digital financial assets. Argentina has essentially established basic legislation for the provisions and regulations of the crypto market. Unfortunately, the article does not specify what these regulations are. Moving on to more interesting developments in different countries, let's go to Bolivia. We have learned that the state energy company of Bolivia will use crypto to pay for energy imports, according to a report. However, the article does not mention which cryptocurrency will be used. What is clear is that Bolivia will use crypto to pay for energy. Another noteworthy development comes from Russia, where it has been confirmed that the country is using both Bitcoin and Tether for oil exchanges with China and India. This move is aimed at circumventing international sanctions, as reported by Reuters. However, even in Reuters' original report, there are no details on the volume of transactions or the exact mechanisms involved. The report simply states that Russia uses crypto, specifically Bitcoin and Tether, to conduct oil exchanges with China and India. Now, moving on to ETFs, we turn to VanEck, which has submitted a new request for an Avalanche ETF. At this time, it is unclear whether this will be a spot ETF or a traditional one. However, VanEck's push for an Avalanche ETF is a positive development. Staying with ETFs, we move to BlackRock, where we have learned that its spot Bitcoin ETF has so far accumulated 567,000 BTC from various investors. This amounts to a total value of $47 billion at the moment, an amount that will likely continue to grow. The most important asset for BlackRock currently is its new fund, BUIDL, which has surpassed $1 billion in recognized real-world assets, marking a 56% increase in a month. Additionally, if we look at the data, we see that Ethereum funds have been flowing into BlackRock, contributing to a sudden rise in its assets. Moving on to exchanges, let's turn to Mr. Trump and World Liberty Finance, which has completed the second round of currency sales, raising $550 billion in retail sales. Shifting from DeFi to centralized exchanges, we look at Gemini, which has set a new world record. Gemini used 1,000 drones to display the Bitcoin logo in the sky over Austin, Texas, achieving a Guinness World Record for the largest in-air image of a currency symbol. This event also served as a great advertisement for Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency in the market. And for our final exchange update today, we turn to Coinbase, where learned that he put the DOGINME, if I pronounce it correctly, on the exchange's roadmap, and this means that in the future, it will be listed on Coinbase. This led to an increase in the price of the specific meme coin listed on Base by 212% in the 7-day chart. For our latest news, we turn to XRP, which managed to become the second largest crypto in the entire market, surpassing both Tether and Ethereum. And before you leave the episode to check CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap to verify this for yourself, let me tell you that you won't find it there, but I will show you how I found this number. Basically, the number I have set CoinGecko to show is the fully diluted valuation. In simple terms, if we look at XRP, we will see that there is the market cap, calculated by multiplying the price with the circulating supply. And then there is the fully diluted valuation, which in this case stands at $243 billion. This is based on the price of the currency multiplying to its total supply. Meanwhile, in the case of Ethereum, this number is $231 billion. For this reason, XRP is currently in second place in the entire crypto market based on this hidden market cap, so to speak. This is even more significant for XRP, especially compared to Ethereum, which, as you all know, does not undergo major changes in its chain. As a result, Ethereum has increased its total supply with an additional 90,401 ETH produced. This means its market cap could have been higher and might not have been surpassed by XRP. However, XRP is currently very strong, as we all know, and this is reflected in its price. This event was particularly significant for it to make headlines, which is why I'm bringing it to your attention as well. Moving forward, let's check in on our favorite crypto market. Bitcoin currently stands at $84,000, with the price aiming to test the first resistance level before climbing further. One notable piece of news that may have contributed to this price move is Trump's statement that there is a very good chance that the war in Ukraine will stop while Russia keeps caveats. Trump has expressed his desire to see an end to the war, and if that happens, markets will likely react positively. That wraps up the top news for crypto. Today is March 15th, 2025. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care, everyone, and have a good day.